Did you ever notice sounds of frogs croaking around in the rainy season? Why do frogs croak when it's rain? This croaking sound is actually created by male frogs. This is to call and attract the female frogs because rainwater creates freshwater pools. That is the best condition for female frogs to lay egg. Frogs croak during the rain and sometime before the rain to attract the females for mating. Why do whales release fountain of water? Whales cannot breathe underwater. They do not have gills. They breathe by blowholes present on the top of the head. They comes on water surface, taking in air, then gives out air. During exhalation process, water present on the top of the hole release like a fountain. When whale is underwater, their blowholes are closed and there is no breathing. So, every time they have to come to the water surface to breathe. Why some lizards shoot blood from their eyes? Horned lizards are present in USA, Canada and Mexico. When they find any danger near them, they start to shoot blood from their eyes. Their bloody tears help them to protect from predators because this dramatic stunt makes them more horrible and aggressive. Why ants follow each other? These tiny insects are like soldiers. They're extremely efficient and well organized. They are called army ants. These ants are blind. They can communicate through a series of chemical messengers from other ants, so they follow one after each other by these chemical messages. Did you see dogs hanging their tongues? Why they do so? This is a normal behavior for happy and active dogs. Actually, dogs hang their tongue to cool themselves because they can't sweat like humans to cool them. Hanging tongue helps water to evaporate quickly, which creates a cooling effect for dogs. Why crocodiles eat stones? X-ray of the crocodile's stomach shown a bundle of some rocks present in the stomach. These stones helps to break down the hard bones of crocodile prey because they typically eat whole organism. So these stones helps them in digestion. Why snakes always sticking out their tongue? By their tongue, snakes are testing the air of the surrounding. The tongue is linked with special organs that are called Jacobson organ, which are linked with brain. Snakes find any danger or food by the smell of their body. Their tongue detects the smell, send the signal to the Jacobson organ and then to the brain, which explain the information. What does it mean when rooster crows? Roosters crow in response to daylight to alert everyone that it's time to get up. Roosters also crow to alert their hens about any danger approaching. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayer.